be patient, wait for a late apex. To help identify the apex, use the two marker posts, the last one being the actual apex. At the apex, pick up the throttle but be patient delivering it. The corner is much more acute than 90 and it's very easy to open the throttle too early and ruin your exit. When you want to leave the track and enter the pits, as you round turn 17, keep over to the right, signal with a hand or your foot out that you're coming in, hold a tight line round turn 18 and pull off into the pit lane. There's a tight chicane before you enter the pit lane itself, and make sure you're down to 60k before you pass the sign and drive down the pit lane. Very few undulations, the circuit only has a slight rise and fall into turn 1 and a small wheelie point between turns 12 and 13 to watch out for. Tip in just after the 50-metre mark, clipping the apex and a short drive out towards turn 2. Start to look at the end of the drift out curb and the service road as you brake in reference. Okay, let's see that section run again at normal speed.